In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change card view in Smartsheet. First, go ahead and open your Smartsheet project sheet in your browser. You'll want to be on the sheet where your project tasks or items are already set up. If Smartsheet opens to a different sheet by default, just use the Home or Browse area to navigate to the correct project sheet. Once that's open, you're probably seeing the standard grid or table-style layout. At the top of the sheet, look for the View options. You should see an option that looks like Table or Grid. This is the default spreadsheet-style view where your information is shown in rows and columns. Click on that table option to confirm you're starting from the standard layout. This helps you clearly see the difference when you switch over to card view. Next, in that same area, find the card option. This is usually near the other view choices, like Gantt or Calendar. Go ahead and click on Card. Smartsheet will switch from the row and column view into a board-style layout, where each row becomes a card. If nothing seems to happen right away, give it a second, especially if your sheet has a lot of data. Once you're in card view, click on one of the cards on the board. This opens more detail for that specific item. Cards will typically be grouped into lanes based on a drop-down or status column, such as phases of a project or task status. Clicking into a card lets you see how that row's data is displayed and helps you understand what information is visible in card view. Now, look for the area that controls how cards are grouped and what field is being used for lanes. You'll see a highlighted drop-down where you can choose something like Task, Status, or another column. Click on that task option so your cards are organized in a way that makes sense for your project. Changing this will rearrange how the cards are grouped on the board. From there, explore the other highlighted options along the top of the board. One of them will let you choose how many fields are shown on each card, for example, 9 fields shown. Click on that to adjust which columns from your sheet appear on the front of each card. This is useful for surfacing key details like assignee, due date, or priority without opening the card. Finally, when you're happy with the way your card view is set up, you can click on the Share button in the top right corner. This lets you share the sheet so others see the same card view configuration, making collaboration in Smartsheet much easier and more visual for your whole team.